Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a practical project, building an automatic, touchless hand sanitizer dispenser. In the current climate, maintaining good hygiene is more important than ever. And this DIY dispenser is a great way to stay safe and add a bit of tech to your life. What you'll need for this project is pretty straightforward. First, you'll need an IR proximity sensor. These little gems are what will detect your hand. Then, a small water pump. This will be responsible for dispensing the sanitizer. You'll also need some tubing to connect the pump to the nozzle, a bottle to hold the hand sanitizer, and a suitable container to house everything. Finally, you'll need a power source, some wires, and a bit of ingenuity. Let's start with the circuit. The IR proximity sensor works by emitting infrared light and detecting when it bounces back, indicating an object is close. We'll connect this sensor to a microcontroller, which will then trigger the water pump when it detects your hand. The microcontroller will act as the brains of the operation, receiving signals from the sensor and sending commands to the pump. Now, connect the positive and negative terminals of the pump to the appropriate pins on your power source. Then, connect the positive and negative terminals of the IR proximity sensor to the power source. Be sure to double-check all connections before you proceed. Now, let's assemble the housing. You can use any container you like, but make sure it's large enough to accommodate all the components. Start by drilling holes for the nozzle and the IR sensor. Then, place the pump and the bottle inside the container. Route the tubing from the pump to the nozzle, making sure it's secure. The next step is to carefully place the electronics, making sure all the wires are connected correctly. Remember to mount the sensor so that it's facing downwards and is able to detect your hand. Once everything is assembled, it's time to test it out. Fill the bottle with hand sanitizer. Turn on the power and place your hand under the nozzle. The pump should activate and dispense a small amount of sanitizer. If it doesn't work, double-check all your connections. Make sure that the sensor is working and the pump is receiving the signal from the microcontroller. And that's it. You've successfully built your own touchless hand sanitizer dispenser. This project is not only useful but also a great learning experience, allowing you to get hands-on with electronics and basic programming concepts. You can customize the dispenser in various ways, such as adding a timer to control the amount of sanitizer dispensed or using a different type of sensor. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with electronics. Make sure that all the connections are secure and that the power supply is suitable for the components. Thanks for watching and happy building.